Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If you try to transfer data from your old iPhone to a newer one and iPhone says transfer cannot be completed, this iPhone does not have enough storage to transfer data from your other iPhone. Restart iPhone to start setting up again. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to make sure that we have a disable the low power mode, and also iPhone is charged, both iPhone are charged up to 80%. What we have to do, we have to go back to settings, tap on general and tap shutdown. Now drag the slider to power off and wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. After turn on back, we have to launch settings again, tap on Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi, and also unplug the Wi-Fi router from the power source, and we also wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back both Wi-Fi from your iPhone and the Wi-Fi router as well. Connected to Wi-Fi, we have to go back to settings, tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone. We have to make sure that both iPhone are up to date. There is no pending iOS update. In the end, what we have to do for both devices, settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. One more try, the force restart. We have to force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.